my name is Laurencia.
My name is Kenny.
We're from Rosemead, California. We recently purchased a home from Rudy Kusuma home selling team. We work closely with Ben Santoso, and we were able to close escrow within 21 days, and we also beat out multiple offers.
Yes, multiple offers. It was quite a venture for us, and Ben was actually really helpful. He's really attentive, dependent, and reliable. Well, one of the reasons why we purchased this home is for our investment. We're planning to build a real estate portfolio, and we bought our first home with Ben, and we were really satisfied. So this is why we're going with Ben again. And the Rudy Kusuma team was able to help us achieve our second home. Well, I'm sure that in the next year or two, we'll go with Rudy Kusuma's home selling team again. And at the same time, we feel like they know the market really well. They know the entire San Gabriel Valley really well, and they have the best interest for us. I would recommend my friends, her family, my family. Well, it's our family now since we married. To everyone, to the Rudy Kusuma team.
Hi, my name is Arlene, and this is Lucas, my husband. We are from Arcadia, California. The reason why we want to sell this house because we want to look for a bigger house and of course newer. That's why I contacted Ben and Rudy's team to help me. And at the beginning, we were thinking to sell our house, but we were kind of worried because the season is not in our favor right now. But then we contacted Ben and Rudy's team, and we talked, and then they suggest me with a lot of things that they have, they have 30,000 buyers in waiting. That makes me thinking that it can create more demands, and then maybe my house can sell fast, which is surprisingly one of the program that they have. They call what they call Arbit. With that program, when they have open house, more than 200 people came to our house and see our house. So our house can be, in 1 week, we got 14 offers. And at the end, it sold in a very good price. We are happy. Also, when they work very professional. They explain very clear everything that we need to sign, to go over with, and then also they work very fast, and basically they work very good, and we're so happy. And 100%, I will recommend Ben and Rudy's team to my friends and family.
Hi, my name is Sonny Luong. I've been renting for long time, I'd say about maybe 30 years, and I finally decided to look for a home. And in California, homes are pretty expensive, and I had a real estate agent, and I was working with a lender, and it was just pretty difficult to work with them. And I started looking further for some more houses, and I found a house that I really like. I attended the open house, and that's where I met Ben, who works for Rudy Kusuma's home selling team. And I talked to Ben. He was very friendly. He knew what he was talking about, and I figured this guy, he might be my guy, to help me with this, and he did. I ended up being able to get the house. he had a program. He had numerous programs, and his offer was pretty much as good as cash, and we were able to close escrow on this home in about 17 days. And everything, it went smooth, and there was all the problems that if we did run into problems, Ben and his mortgage broker was able to take care of the problems without any issues. And other than that, great team. I couldn't ask for more than this. It went as smooth as possible, considering I'm a first-time home buyer. And everything, at first it was overwhelming, but they made it a lot easier for me. Oh yeah, I'll definitely recommend Rudy, Kusuma and their home selling team to friends and families. Even their mortgage broker was very easy to work with, so I would totally recommend them. Yeah, they're your guy.
Hi, my name is Mia.
Hi, my name is Danny.
We are first-time home buyer. We were looking for a house on the internet for like a few months. So recently, I just met Ben and Rudy Kusuma home selling team. They are really good team, and we have a really close friend from real estate. She's in Orange County, and she also recommended me about Ben's team to buy a house. They're working really good, like especially for finding a house, working on the loan. At first when I met him, I didn't have loan too, but they helped me working on that, even though I don't have really good credit score, but they still help me get really good loan. And then I found my house, and they helped me to get an offer. And then just, I think almost a month, and then now we almost get our own house. Ben and his team helping us to structure the offer as good as cash, even though we are not the highest offer, but our offer get accepted. And we are very happy with Ben and Rudy Kusuma home selling team. And we will recommend Ben and his team to my friends and family.
Hello, hi, my name is Willie Tan. It's my wife.
Livia Tan, hi.
Recently, we just buying a house, and we were looking for the house since 3 months ago. And then now we found a house in West Covina with help from Rudy L. Kusuma home selling team, and especially our agent, Ben Rudy Santoso. He is a very good person, and he's very patient to help us to find a house. The reason why we're buying a house in West Covina because of a very quiet place, and then very nice community, and then close to mall, close to shopping centers, everything.
And especially close to the school for our children.
And also our agent Ben, he helped us with the final house, and he beat up all the offer in just 3 days. And we are very happy and very satisfied, especially with our lender. He can help us with loan, and then they can closing the escrow in the 21 days. Our agent Ben is very helpful. Whenever we have a question, they answer 24 hours, and he has a very good knowledge, and he know everything about the home selling, and we are very satisfied with him, and he's number one.
And we will recommend it Rudy L. Kusuma home selling team and Ben as an agent to our family and friend to buy a house or a condo or any property.
Hello everybody, my name is Albert Zhang. I'm an investor here in Los Angeles, California. And what I do, I just buy properties and do some remodeling work or make an addition to the house, or just to rebuild the house and then resell it and make a profit from it. And here's the interview that I do for the Rudy Kusuma home selling team. And Ben is the real estate agent who helps me from a year ago. We met with each other about a year from now, and he helps me did 6 transactions already. And here where I'm standing right now, this is my third home that I worked with him, and he helped me, to buy it, to sell it. So that's why this is a sixth transaction, buy and sell. And other than this one, we still have 2 more transactions located in one in Upland, California, the other one in Rancho Cucamonga, California, that under our partnership, and we're going to work that out too. So Ben, the real estate agent, who's been very helpful during the year because he's always very quick response to all my requests, the home showing, and their team is very professional too because they provided me a lot of professional information about how to make the transaction smoothly and to make my home selling fast with my targeted price. And for this particular home that we're looking at right now, within a week that we put the house in the market, we have already received multiple offers which are higher than our asking price. And I believe earlier next week we should be able to open escrow and make the deal, closing within a month or 2. Okay, so I believe I can put 3 words to describe Ben, my real estate agent, which are honest, professional, and experienced. So he's always been honest with me regarding all the facts about the house, no matter when I buy it or after remodel it. There's maybe little, here and there little things that I didn't notice, and he would let me know. And that's about the honest part. And he will honestly tell me all the offers that we got and the conversation between him and the real estate agent, the listing agent or the buyer's agent. And when we talked about the professional part, okay, not only him, he got a whole team that works in real estate agent or works as the escrow team or the financing team. Okay, they're all knowledgeable about they know what they're doing, and they've been doing this for years. So no mistakes happens, and we always have a really good transaction smoothly in our escrow. And also, he has a lot of experience regarding buying and selling homes. Okay, and he's been in this business for a long time, and the best part, for that, comes from his experience, would be he knows how to negotiate with the listing agents or the buyer's representative agent, okay, to bring the best benefit to me. And for example, like when I was trying to buy this house, particularly. He had several very positive conversation with the listing agent, and the listing agent, he got multiple offers, and my offer was not the highest, but Ben, tried to make positive conversations and make my offer stand it out. And it happened. So I was the lucky one to get this property. And now when when it comes to the selling point, during the remodeling, Ben's already on the field to do the research about the market, and he had an idea about how much we're looking at to resell the house. What's the demand in this market particularly, and even so before we started listing this property, we already know where we are and what our target is. So when after we listing this property, there's multiple offers we received within a week, as I said earlier, and for each single buyer's offer, Ben make me a different kind of offers to each of the buyer's offers, to compensate and to try to bring me the best benefits. And so I believe that's how Ben always worked out for me, no matter when I buy or sell my property. And I always get what I expected, more than what I expected. So overall, I'm very, very satisfied with Rudy Kusuma home selling team, especially with Ben, who's been always helping me during the last year. And I believe I will always keep working with him. As I said, I had another 2 properties already working with him, and I'm still actively looking for more property to flip with, because this is what I do for a living. And if there's anybody else that I know, or other investors or other friend that wants maybe just to buy their own home living property, I would always suggest Rudy Kusuma team as well as Ben. which are super great, and I'm super satisfied with them. So trust them, they're really professional, honest, and experienced home selling real estate team.